Really, I am surprised to be here. As our today's chief guest, Sri Gurunath Reddy garu, called me to visit this hospital. And when Anuradha Reddy garu, she told me about background and this hospital and Gurunath Reddy garu's background. And really, I am glad and I am proud that Gurunath Reddy garu belongs to our Telugu community and he is doing a lot of service. And I am happy that he invited me on this occasion of the World Liver Day. Friends and doctors, I am in the election campaign. I should speak less. I should meet more people. So that's why, first of all, I am happy that I am meeting the cream of the society who represents the larger interest of the country. Today is the World Liver Day function. India is really a rich country. India is not a poor country. But unfortunately, India has been projected as the poor country. But I feel that India is the rich country because we have a lot of resources. We have a lot of human resources and also natural resources. But we were unable to train our people well to use these resources properly. The wealth will come automatically. We should not try for wealth. We should try for knowledge. We should search for knowledge. For that knowledge, India in the beginning itself, from our forefathers, from our tradition, from our heritage, we are very proud of cultural heritage. In that cultural heritage, we have wealth and health, equal importance we have given. In our Indian tradition, we have given equal status to health and wealth. But we say that if health is lost, something is lost. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. That is the saying in our tradition. That's why health has given importance than the wealth. The health is the important factor. But recently, the human habits have become a tremendous change. Because of the habits, the health care is very less important than the wealth earning. I feel that if our government, India government, BJP government will come under the leadership of Narendra Modi, we will give top priority for the health care in the country for the citizens of India. Health care because prevention is better than cure. The prevention for that, for every human being, physical exercise is necessary. First of all, physical fitness should be there. Nowadays, mentally we are becoming more sound, but physically we are becoming weak. I feel every human being, we should 1 hour, at least a minimum exercise. In all schools, the yoga or physical exercise is a must. That should be implemented. And other thing is the important factor for the health. The rural areas nowadays, the liquor has become very big issue in the Andhra Pradesh. And the liquor diseases are more related to the liver. More related to the liver. Now the governments, instead of welfare, they have become only wealth care only. The government priority should be human welfare. Health welfare is very important. But because of the liquor, the Andhra Pradesh government getting more revenue by incoming the tax on more this liquor production. That's why the belt shops, now in Andhra Pradesh, the belt shop have become more popular. If we voted to power as a BJP or NDA, I definitely assure you, in Andhra Pradesh, we strictly ban all the belt shops in the Andhra Pradesh, the Telangana or even Andhra state. This is the root cause of the woman, particularly the woman folk, woman community, is very much disturbed in their family. So, first of all, for this liver, and I am happy and I am proud that Hyderabad is the big hub for the hospital centers. It has become a big hub. All prominent hospitals have come up. Even from the Gulf countries, people are coming to Hyderabad and taking treatment in Hyderabad, even for heart, even for cardiacs, and even for the ortho, even for the liver, even for the lot of diseases. Hyderabad has become a hub of the hospital center. And I am happy that this continental hospital will become definitely, will be emerge in the country as one of the big center for all special diseases for the cure of this center. And I am happy that for this liver, World Liver Day function, Gurnath Reddy ji is particularly organizing and functioning to get awareness among the people. The more job is awareness. We should give awareness campaign is very important. For that, not only as a doctor he is doing as a voluntary, a social service organization, as an NGO. As an NGO he is doing this job. Though the profession is doctor, but I feel that he is doing as a NGO job. We all should propagate to see that what are the dangers we are getting. So that's why the awareness program is very much essential in the rural areas, even in the urban slums and rural areas. The awareness program should be taken priority, and I, if given an opportunity to elect as a Secunderabad Parliament member, and definitely I will take as a priority as a health for the slum people and poor people, and see that all these diseases should not be affected. If at all any such diseases have come, and the specialty hospital like Continental Hospital, I will take their services. And see that the priority should be given to the such cases and poor people. And lastly, I also feel that in India, R&D should become more important. In the government of India also, when the Atal Bihari Vajpayee was there, I worked under the Atal Bihari Vajpayee as a Minister of Urban Development and Railways. We gave very much importance for the research and development. In every department, particularly in the health and the science, we will give priority for the research and development. And coming under the Narendra Modi's government also, I as a member of the National Manifesto Committee member, I am a National Manifesto Committee member also, I assure you, we have kept in our manifesto the R&D is the priority, research and development, even for the defense or even for the health. So that's why we give top priority for research and development for the health, and I assure you that health we should take care and we give top priority in our agenda. I am happy that Sri Gurunath Reddy Garu and Anuradha Reddy Garu, they invited me to participate in this International Liver Day function. Once again I express my thanks to the Gurunath Reddy Garu and this institution, and I am happy, and thanks to all of you in this occasion. Thanking you. Thank you.